Guess what's open just in time for your vacation? The Red Dragon Cove. Let's go check it out. Begin your adventure. Travel through bamboo jungles, cross ancient bridges, scale mountains, and more. Beware pirates. Arr. Their hours are Monday through Sunday, 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. Red Dragon Cove. To the golf course. Let's check it out. Thank y'all.
Thanks.
All right. We've been watching the Red Dragon Cove being built the whole entire winter and can't wait to see it. Red Dragon Cove. Actually, the Red Dragon just opened up 2 days ago, so we were here just in time. It's the newest mini golf course on the Grand Strand. It has 36 holes, and it also even has an ADA course. That's so awesome. So we have this little coupon right here that's $1 off per game. Our free Red Dragon Icy. Yum. Their hours are Monday through Sunday, 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. So this is so unique in its own way. Here's where you can warm up right on the practice green. So those of you that haven't played in a little while, you won't get out there and be messing your golf games up.
So the Marauders Challenge course will take you up through the hills, through the cave, and through the bamboo forest. And the Pirates Plank is the ADA course.
I know a lot of you in Myrtle Beach are looking for activities for ADA, so this is an excellent opportunity for the whole entire family to get out and have some fun. All righty, and so now we're on hole number 1 at the Marauders Challenge.
Wow, this is neat. Look at this.
That is so cool. So we're going to take a quick view around, not to show you hole by hole, but just to show you some of the cool, authentic statues and just to give you a vibe. Buddha. Over 300 years ago, the pirate queen came here to seek Buddha to find peace, clarify and free her mind of the fog of illusions of greed, hate, and ignorance. Buddha is one who is free of fog. Namaste. Namaste.
I see fog over there.
That's her. And this is very good. They also have steps, but they have rails. So if you go up, hold on to the rails. Walk at your own risk, because I like to fall up steps. And remember, no climbing on the rocks. We want you to stay grounded. Ooh, somebody must be doing good. I hear them screaming this early in the morning.
Probably can't see the wave in it.
Oh yeah, I see it. I can't wait to come back and play.
It's going backwards.
Yeah. Oh no, let's see what's in the cave. Oh, it's spooky. Oh, look at there. Oh yeah. Where it comes out. Alrighty, and then you got that eye staring at you. The pressure's on. Oh goodness, you know I don't like heights. Ooh. Oh, it looks like it's downhill from here. And now, welcome to the bamboo forest. Let's go check out that dragon. Now remember, it's 36 holes. So if you want to get here and play all 36 before it gets hot, you probably do need to show up before 9 o'clock, or right at 9. There's bamboos. Oh, this dragon. This dragon is a pirate queen who's traveled through the bamboos forest in search of dragons to obtain exceptional qualities. Dragons in Asian culture symbolizes great power, good luck, wisdom, and strength. So right now we're on the 88 course and it's all flat level. No stairs to climb. They do have benches that you can relax and sit down and take a break. Or let someone play through. You want to read that one?
Through twists and turns, she captured land after land as she marched toward the sea, where she could see her fleet of 800 ships in the Red Dragon Cove.
The pirate queen traveled through these treacherous caves and waterfalls, invading her enemies as she sailed back home to rest up for her next adventure. Kind of sounds like you, Bebop. And look at here. This is hole number 7, lucky number 7. Stay off the stern deck. Fines include 30 days in the brig, 50 gold coins, and loss of putter. R. Red Dragon Cove Adventure Golf. So if you're watching this channel and you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification so you too can keep beaching. If you do happen to come here this summer, make sure you comment below and let us know how you liked it. See you in the next video.